I'm going to also record this video. So this is the next part of it. You're welcome. So a tangent line intersects a circle at exactly blank point called the point of tangency. How many points does it intersect? One, at exactly one point, and that point is called the point of tangency. So looking here, the A is the point of tangency. What do you notice about the circle with the tangent and the segment AP? It creates a what? It creates an out. All right, think about it. Look at it. Are we looking? Look at it. Observe it. Yeah. So we're going to think about that. A line is tangent to a circle if and only if it is blank to a blank drawn to the point of tangency. Gracie said it is a right angle, so that means it is, starts with a P, perpendicular to the blank. What is that segment? Starts with an R. Radius. Drawn to the point of tangency. So, to test if something is tangent to a circle, you can use the radius and use someone's theorem to figure it out, because this is creating what type of triangle? A right triangle. How excited are we to be back to triangles? Put it away. Whatever you're on right now. If you've got a phone out, put it away. We're just ready for your favorite thing in the whole wide world, triangles. When you said this morning, I'm so glad we're not dealing with triangles. I have tissues if you need them. If you need to dab some tears away. It's after we go over this, yeah, you can go to the bathroom. Okay, so to test it out, we're going to see if this is, in fact, a tangent. Find your point of tangency, supposedly, allegedly. A is the point of tangency, so that means A is a right angle. We should be focused and not talking to our friends. A is allegedly a right angle, so that means which side is which? Someone else. I want to use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. How would you set it up? Sure. Go ahead and test out, see if it is right. Put it away. Oh, I thought that was your phone. You're good. Once you got it done, Christian, you can go. But this is like the second time you're asking to leave, so you've got to be so fast. Well, you should have one side equal to the other side. Is 64 plus 225 289? Yeah, 289 equals 289. So is this tangent? Yes. Okay, looking at the next side, what do you think? Which point should be your point of tangency? A. Okay. So that means which side should be my hypotenuse? No. BP. So do I have the whole segment for BP? No. What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm missing the part inside the circle, which is known as the radius. Yes. So what is the radius? Do I have it? 11. So you can add the two parts. So that's 5 plus 11. So that means my hypotenuse is 16. Okay, go ahead and try this one. Okay, so 16 we agree is the hypotenuse, or should be. And then it does not matter how you set those up. What's 14 squared? And what's 16 squared? Isn't it 256? Okay. I'm sorry, I did not get the answer of my question. That is 317, which is, I think, what you said, right? Yeah, okay, I heard 317. Are they equal? No. So is this tangent? No. Okay, pick one other question going for 3 through 9. And yes, I know 9 is on the wrong side. I did that for funsies. 3. Okay, are you sure? We should do one that's harder. Okay, then you guys do 3. Okay, let's do 6 and let's do 7. How about we do those two? Okay, number 6. Those are both like diameter problems. Let's do... I know. Let's start with 6 and you guys talk me through the rest. Okay, what's the dealio with number 6? Where's your tangent? J. So your point of tangency is J. So I should say, where's your tangent? Your tangent is JK. So the point of tangency is J. So that's your what angle? Your right angle. Okay, cool. So when we are figuring out what x is down here. Figure out the rest of your sides. We got to plug into Pythagorean theorem. Is there anything not labeled that I should label? ML is what? So that means the whole thing. Okay, it's 22. So, using Pythagorean theorem, how would I set that up? Do we agree? 22 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared? Are we okay with that? Okay, do it. Oh, sure. We can round to the nearest hundredth. Did I unpause it? Yes, I did. Okay. 22 squared. I don't know what that is. Help me out. 484. That's a beautiful number. And then 25 is at 6. 25. Okay. Help me out again when I subtract. What do we get? 141? 141. So that's just under 12 squared, right? Okay, so it's 11 point something. 8, 7, or 9. I didn't tell you what to round to, so I'm not the boss of you. You can round to whatever you want. Okay. So can I tell you, number 7 is done the same way. So that's why I don't really want to do 7. Pick either 4, 5 is really good, 9 or, 4, 5, or 9. Pick one. 4, okay. 5 is really good. Let's do 4 and then we'll move on to the next stuff. What's going on with 4? Do I give you everything? No, I give you not everything. I give you everything you need. So find your tangent, find your point of tangency, make it a right angle. Why do we do that? But why is it helpful to put the right angle there? Yes, and it tells me if I know that this is the right angle, those two sides are my legs, and the one across from it is my hypotenuse. That's why I do that. I put the right angle there to help me find my hypotenuse. I don't give you the whole hypotenuse. How do I get my whole hypotenuse? Bring the radius over, which happens to be 11. So 11 plus 7 gets me. Okay, go ahead and do it. So a secant goes through the circle. It has 2 endpoints, and the tangent touches only once. So like if you extend this line, that is a secant, whereas this is a tangent. Yeah. Yes, I think so. Pretty sure we do. Okay. X squared plus 11 squared equals 18 squared. What did you guys get? 14.25. Do we agree? Okay. Let's go to one more problem on this. How's our time? I don't know if I want to do one more problem. Yeah, let's do one more problem. Do you want to do 5 or 9? 5? Okay. That means you guys have to do 9 on your own. I know, I'm being so mean. Okay, so I agree. I got 4.25. How do you do number 5? Yeah, Pythagorean theorem. How do I set it up? Equals what? Sure. So we're going to find C, and then we're going to figure out what X is from there. I like that plan. I like that plan a lot. That's the easy way to do it. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. It's, you think it's one thing, but it's really not.
It's just, it has to speak for itself. Oh, wow. What?
Yeah.
How do you divide the 26?
Why are you dividing 26?
Because you're finding which is half of it.
No, it's not. The whole thing is 26. X is just the outside part. So what's the inside part? 10. So what is equal to C? X plus 10 equals 26. Do we agree that it is 16? I agree. You have to take away the inside part. The inside part is the radius. The inside part is 10. Take away the inside part. Okay. Bless you. Let's go on to the last bit. So go to the back. Last bit. So we've got an ice cream cone problem or like a bird beak problem. I think of it as like an ice cream cone. But then someone else said it kind of looks like a bird's head. Well, yeah, when you look at it like that, but when you look at it like this, it looks like an ice cream cone. Or a party hat. It's all about perspective. Okay. Using one of your highlighters, I did not tell you to put your highlighters away, so you should still have them out. If you have two segments that are from the same exterior point B, then if they are tangent to the same circle, they are equal to each other. So in this case, these guys are equal. Similarly, if a polygon is circumscribed, meaning you have a triangle around the circle, circumscribed, polygon is circumscribed around a circle, then all the sides are tangent. This should look like a in-center problem. So like everything, so from the segments from B are equal, the little tips. The segments from C are also equal, and the little mini segments from A are equal. Yeah, so it's essentially like the angle bisector, the in-center. Yeah. Yes, flashbacks. See, just make it into a triangle problem. Let's look at number 12. Let's do the hardest one together. See how I'm not even giving you guys an option. We're just going to do the hard one together. You guys keep choosing the easy ones. That means you have to do the hard ones. You're being silly today. Well, I mean, if you're being resourceful, you'd ask me to do the harder one without me. Yeah, that is true. I should just say, hey guys, which one do you want to do? 10, 11, or 12? Which one do you? Which one? 12. Okay, 12. Cool. You guys chose correctly. Find your two tangents. They're equal to each other. Okay, what do you want to do? Pop off, is that what you said? What do you want to do? I would not want to do that. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, you guys can figure it out. I'll be done. Okay. So, because these two are equal, we set them equal to each other, and you solve for x. Okay, so solve for x. You got x already? Okay, then what do we do after we get x? Yeah. Yep, that's what Gracie said. And I agree with that. So what do you get for x? 8. Okay. Plug in. Which one do you want to plug it in for? SU. It really does not matter because you should get the same answer for both. 4 times 8. 32 plus 7. 39 is correct. So it does not matter because they're both 39. So then use Pythagorean theorem to solve for SV. Both of the radii are also equal. That's plenty of time. Thanks for being the timekeeper. How do you set it up? Yeah. So T and U are the tangent points of tangency, so those are your right angles. Okay, so 42.54, depending on what you want to round to, that's your answer. Okay, pick one, either 13, 14, or the other 13. Which one do you want to do? It does not matter which one you pick. Okay. That one I honestly don't have any preferences for. Where do you want to start? To find the perimeter of the shape, what do we have to do? Okay, so what am I missing? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the part that I'm missing, and I'm going to find what it's equal to. And I'm going to work backwards. Can I figure out that part of S that's equal to the part of PS that I'm missing? Can I find the part of what I highlighted pink? Can I find this part? I know that this is also equal. So if this bit is 27.1, this is 27.1, And how do I get the pink part? From 52.5. Yeah. Okay, tell me what you get. Okay, that's what I got. Okay, how do you find the other missing part? You do the same thing. You work backwards from what you have to what you're trying to find. You got it? So what am I going to first subtract? 37.5 by what? Okay. Yeah, I can tell. We're not focused. So because we have the blue bit here is equal. You subtract them, and that gets you your missing part. So what is that? That's what I got too. And then to get the perimeter, what do? Add them all up. Okay, go ahead and do that. Yep. What is that? 52.5 plus 23 plus 25.4. I would add up all like that. It's 0.4. And then you should get 180. You add them all up. I just wrote it all out. I literally would just add it in my calculator and not do that. Okay. You guys have about 5 minutes to do some more practice. I would make sure to go back and do the ones that are trickier. So I would make sure you know how to do the problems on the front. And I mean, maybe just try 11, 12, and 13 at the bottom, honestly, because they're all bits. You finished?